a lot of times in the school, it was very much where exclusion, obviously they put you in an exclusion unit. And in exclusion unit for me, I became so friendly with them that now it's like every single time I come in there, it's like, oh, yo, what's going on? And I literally, I don't even have to go to class. It got to that point, I don't have to go to class. You know what, I would take myself to the exclusion unit. Because at the end of the day, I know this teacher's gonna kick me out of science anyway, so guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to the exclusion unit. And imagine for my head of year at that time, they were dealing with headache. Because for them, it's like, he's in exclusion unit, he's refusing to go to the classroom, he's being destructive in the school.
So instead of exclusions, it's about linking absence and disruptive behaviour with potential exploitation.
1,000%. Actually understanding it for what it was. Because me, I was someone that, this is the change. From year 6, I used to do the worm in school assembly. I used to dance, I used to love it. To year 7, I refused to dance. I refused to play basketball. I refused to do any of them things that I was asked by social workers, school, and everything else. We have the best facility in the whole of UK right at this moment in time, because when my school was built, it was the same time when the Olympics were very much there. So they built it for the Olympics. So they have the best facilities. They got everything. So they're telling me, why don't you do basketball? Why don't you do dance? Why don't you do drama? All of these things you was into as a child, but because that same child in year 6 and that same child in year 7 are two different children now.
So it's not just about having the clubs and the opportunities for children to engage and feel like they belong. It's about, building that relationship with them.
Actually making them feel safe in school. Making them feel like school is now a safe ground, not a ground where I can easily be stabbed or I can easily be whatever. And then on top of that, there's bias and judgment or identification in there too, where it's like, oh, you know what, yeah, because he is just, he's just there, he's a foster child, he's just this, he doesn't really let's leave him.